Hello, this is the second video in our series, and today we're going to show you, as I promised, how to fold the easy version of Jeremy Schaefer's Flasher. Now this one's more easier, and it requires a few less folds, but it also has the ISO area twist, which makes it look good. So now, first start with any side of your sheet. So any side, white or, in this case, silver. So first, fold in half and crease sharply. Now make a cupboard fold, which means you'll take this edge and fold it so that it's just below the middle crease that you just made.
This
is my brother and student, Artie. And Artie, would you mind saying a few words to the audience?
No.
You just said one. Now make another cupboard fold so that you will have a piece of origami paper that's divided into four. What we're gonna do now is we do not unfold. We take this flap and fold it to the edge, we take this raw edge and fold it to the end of the paper so that there's just a little showing, but not too much. Repeat on the other side, and now you will have a sort of envelope that's really unfolded. Flip over and take this edge and fold it to the middle crease. Now, when it opens up, make sure the other layer goes through as well, because this is very important, because you are going to have to make eighths in this paper. After you have accomplished that task, unfold the model completely, and you will have a paper divided into eighths. Paper fan, and so repeat on other side. Don't forget to crease sharply, because we are making a grid of 8 by 8. But you might want to excuse us for a moment, because we don't press it. Don't press that humane button. Serious mom.
I'm gonna go work out, guys. You guys having fun? You guys have fun.
Wait for me, dude. Wait for me.
Wow.
Too long.
Dude,
I'm falling asleep.
So what we're gonna do now is, once you've divided the entire span of the paper into eighths, into a grid, that is, you will do what's known as the ISO area twist. Some of you might have heard of it as you watch Jeremy Schaefer's channel, or you have his book. All right. So once you have the grid, don't mind him here, he's still working. You are going to take out a pair of scissors, in this case, right over here.
Ooh, magic stand.
And And using one column, fold it very sharply. And some people, this may not counter to your senses, but cut the column behind that sharp crease you just made.
小心手。
And crease. And do the same thing for a column, for the column over here. Right over here, fold sharply, crease, and cut. This right here will later have a center square. And this center square is quite easy to see. Right over here. Here it is. Just in case. So now we're gonna take that center square and see this bottom crease? You will pinch it up, but make sure you only pinch this side and this side stays flat. But sometimes it's easier to go with that way. Then, right under that pinch underneath the center square, you will now pinch this one about 3 pieces away.
Can we jump to the end?
So just as you fold that in, the center square should be quite elevated. And when you pinch the rest of this model, the center square over here will look kind of twisted. And what do I mean by twisted? I mean real twisted. Because it should have been twisted, so now it should look like a little line going through the middle, or otherwise an iso area twist. Because if you want this model to be good,